Hello friends, today we have with us Mr. Ayush Raj who secured All India 4th rank in GATE 2020 with electrical engineering. He is our classroom coaching student of GATE 2020 in our New Delhi center. Now let us have a brief discussion about the strategies, preparation strategies to secure this particular rank. Hi Mr. Ayush, congratulations. Okay, tell me about yourself.
My name is Ayush. I have done my BTech in Electrical Engineering from IIT Delhi. I have taken classroom coaching from ACE Engineering Academy, New Delhi Center.
Okay. So, while attending classes, how many hours you used to prepare regularly? Self preparation, what I say, apart from coaching.
When coaching was going on, I used to devote 2 to 3 hours to revise the concept that was taught in class. And after it get over, I used to study for 4 to 6 hours on a daily basis.
4 to 6 hours.
4 to 6 hours.
So, what about the test series, for example? How do you assess yourself?
I have given 6 full-length test series from ACE Engineering Academy and part test also. The questions were very nice and excellent, and I had always had something new to learn from each and every question. That was the quality of the questions from ACE Academy test series. So whenever I did a mistake, I used to review it thoroughly so that I do not repeat that mistake in the next time. That was my strategy to improve myself continuously.
What about these short notes or micro notes?
Short notes, in my opinion, the questions that are asked in GATE are very fundamental from graduation level. So, the things that are taught in classroom, the notes that are prepared there, that is much more than enough to secure a decent rank in GATE exam. So, you need to trust what is being taught in your class, and that is sufficient. So, I did not prepare any kind of micro notes or anything like that. No.
Just class running.
Yes, sir. Whenever I thought that I do not know the concept, I used to flip pages of my notebook and review that concept. That is it.
What about these previous GATE questions?
Previous GATE questions are first thing that you must solve for this exam. I solved it for, I think I solved it twice, and some questions I marked so that I can learn that concept, because some questions were difficult in previous question that I solved for 3 or 4 times.
Yeah. What about previous engineering services questions?
I prepared exclusively for GATE, so I did not even look at them. Actually, that was
honestly, you have not seen them. Okay. So, who is your inspiring teacher in Delhi Center?
I have done my power system course from Ravi sir.
Ravi sir.
He is an excellent teacher, and especially the T&D part. I have never seen any teacher explaining the concept such clearly in T&D part. So he is the best teacher that I found in ACE Engineering Academy.
Okay.
From my perspective.
Okay, I forgot to ask one question. You are from which state?
Sir, I am from Bihar.
Bihar.
Yes,
so
sir.
Bihar again is rocking. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is your message to your juniors who are future aspirants?
My message is that should focus on the basic aspects only and do not get into complicated questions. And studying for 3 to 4 hours or 5 to 6 hours. If you are in final year, then manage your academics and devote 2 to 3 hours to this exam. And if you are a pass out, then you can devote full time. You can take classroom coaching, revise notes, and join the test series. That would be enough to get a good enough rank.
What do you think the appropriate time to start preparation for these competitive exams, let it be GATE or IES, second year or third year, something? Your opinion?
In my opinion, one should start from 4th year onwards. That would be the best time that one can start.
4th year. In 4th year, generally people will be busy with campus placements.
In most of the colleges, we do not get decent placement. Okay. So for students belonging to that colleges, 4th year is the best time. And if you want to start early, you can also. But I would recommend that you should also enjoy your college life till 3rd year and learn whatever that is important in college life also. Okay. And then come into this preparation game. That is what I suggest.
Okay. What is your future plan? Right.
So I intend to join PSUs.
PSUs.
And pursue my career in this.
Apart from PSUs, do you have any other further plans for engineering services or something else?
Sir, I have not thought that far ahead. At present, I'm pursuing for career in a PSU only. That's it.
What are the reference books that generally students are asking? What reference books you suggest?
I have referred very less books and relied heavily on notes and
Notes. Okay.
material from ACE Engineering Academy only.
Okay, so our study material is sufficient,
More than sufficient, sir.
more than sufficient.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Okay, Mr. Ayush, sir, congratulations once again. My pranams to your parents. Okay, Mr. Ayush.
Sir, all.
Teachers also. Okay, thank you. All the best. God bless you.
Thank you.